Welcome to
KidsTube!
Today, Sailor will be showing you how to create your own magic wand with just a few simple items.
Hi, my name's Sailor and I'm going to be showing you how to make wands like these ones. So, you will need a hot glue gun, some paint, a paintbrush and a chopstick. First of all, you will need to get your chopstick and then put this around like that. You can make lots of different patterns. I've chosen to make this one. Now you have to let it dry. So now this is all dry, so I'm going to tip some paint into here. Now you can get some on your paintbrush and then you can paint. I like to hold the top so you don't get paint on your hand when you're brushing it down. Make sure that you cover up all of it. After you've finished, you can put it out in the sun for it to dry. When you are using the glue gun, you have to be very careful because you could burn yourself, and make sure you have an adult with you. And after it is dried, there you have it. And I'm going to do a spell. Appear! Whoa, where am I?
Do you have a fun activity you'd like to share? If so, email, Dropbox or send us a link to your own KidsTube video. But remember to get permission from a responsible adult first. Thanks for watching!